A couple weeks ago, I showed you how to make a mini traveler's notebook with 4x6 pocket cards. I've since filled the notebook and I want to share it with you. I'm Emilee and you've found Emilee's Paper Caper, where we're all about scrapping our stash and getting pages done. If you're new here, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button and bell icon now. So I got out some paper scraps and spring photos and punches, and also some washi tape with a grass pattern. This green grass is so cute and perfect paired with some punched Easter eggs. I punched some rectangles and squares from paper that I had printed on my gel press. And I have embellished this mini traveler's notebook with those materials. I stamped signs of spring on the cover. And I've punched the smaller versions of the photos from the larger photos and placed them in the notebook. And then I've left room. I'll give this to my mom so that she can journal about the first signs of spring. These are all photos taken in her yard, so I wanted to give her a chance to talk about signs of spring and the plants that we see popping up first each spring. She has a weather vane on top of her shed, and so I took a picture of that, and you can see the buds on the trees behind. She has a not a weather vane, but a sundial in her garden, and so I took a photo of that. And this will be just a fun little book that she can enjoy writing in and enjoy the spring photos. Here's a quick tip for you. If you're cutting your photos down with punches, I really suggest you turn your punch over so that you can place the photo and crop it exactly as you want it. If you don't do that, you're kind of punching blindly, and it's a risk that you'll cut the photo in a way that will not be suitable for your project. Let's keep on scrapping our stash. Here are links to a couple more videos, and I'm ready to keep on scrapping.